proceeding for Queensbury Central Fire. Respond the elementary school at 431 Aviation Road for a general fire alarm activation. Fire control clear at 1648.
Great, babe.
315 command. 315 is also approaching.
Stay short of them. Here, man. Final signs are panel showing zone 10 smoke. Going to be the second hallway on the right. Come in, take a right in the school. You got 318 crew coming in, so I'll send them into you, Brian. It's going to be zone 10 by the staff bathroom. Hallway smoke detector.
Copy. Area staff, restroom, hallway smoke. Copy.
Davey, if you come in the entrance here by the playground, just get yourself parked along the fenced area by the playground area.
Appreciate it. Mark. Good. 149 and 9, is that how was dispatched?
Joseph Eddie Banks is going to be in the, just before the Logjam restaurant, same side of the road, last door down, right hand side.
It's affirmative, I know where that is. Thank you.
John, put it close and out. Engine 315, fire control.
Alright, calling in 315.
Engine 315. Receive.
Queensbury Central car 216.
Fire control to car 216. Requesting to cancel Conver Pass code entered.
tag got restored. I think that's what it's going to be, why you got a script there with the alarm company.
62, copy. Okay, I'm blowing it.